Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, I am going to show you how to create this kind of simple and clean landing page using system.io. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So just logged in into the system.io account, then come on the funnel tabs. Just click over here, funnel tabs, and then you will get a dashboard like this. I already created 2 funnels, that's why here it shows 2 funnels. But if you don't create any of the funnels, then it will be blank. So first of all, click over here, create, and then write down here the funnel name. So I will just write down here lead generation funnel. Then I will just select here custom, and then from here I will choose $, then click save. Now click over here lead generation funnel. Then first of all we need to create a step. So for creating a step, just click here add step, and I will just write down here. So this is the home page, or you can say it landing page. So I will just make it home page, and from here just choose squeeze page and then click save. Then here you will got lots of templates. So just select any of the templates, then we will customize the templates and rebuild the landing page. So I will just select this one. Then first of all here just remove the text and write down here home because it's our home page. Then click here edit page. Then here let's come up the top, just click the section and then click delete, this delete icon. Then okay. Same way, just click the sections and click delete. This way delete all the section. So deleting all the sections is completed. Now let's drag a sections over here. So if you see this kind of error, here you can see I can't drag the sections over here. So if you also face the same problem, then first of all click over here. Then just come over here and then drag the section over here. So you don't need to understand any of the things, what is sections, row and columns. Just drag the sections over here, and from now just scroll down below and click over here, click this section. Don't click this row, okay, just click this section. Then come over here and from your content width, from full page make it wide. So if we make it wide, then what would be happened? So now let's make it on full screen. See, the sections area is from this much. But from here if I click the sections and if I make it full page, then if I see it on full screen, then see the sections has been increased. So it wouldn't be very good for the responsiveness. So make sure you make the sections into wide from full page, and see now it's this much. So for the very first time here we have this marketing island logo and the home sections. So if you want, then we can create it very easily. So first of all I will just copy the image link. If I copy the image address, then the image address will be copied. So just come over here and in this row just come over here, and we need to add 2 columns because here the first one is this marketing island and second one is the text. So we need 2 columns. I will just drag these 2 columns over here. So on the very first columns we will drag an image, and on the second column we will just drag a headline text, and just click the image. And from here if you have the logo, just click over here, and from your computer just upload the logo or drag the logo over here. Then you will get all the logo over here. Then just select any of the logo. So but I have copied the logo, so I will just paste the logo over here. Then see, oh okay, so not here, don't paste the logo on this link, just paste the logo on image file. Then the logo will be added over here, and I will just decrease the size, and I will make the alignment into left. Then it will be on the left side. And the same way I will just click over here and double click over here, then just write down here home. From now make the font size into 20 pixel, and from here the font I will just use here enter, and from regular to make it medium, or we can make it semi bold. And I want to do one thing, I will make all the letter into capital letter. Now just come over here and click here, then it will be go on the right side. And if we see on it a full screen, then see it's going to be look like this. And I think we should make it from semi bold to medium, and now it's look like this. And now let's add those text and those other things. Now this is our row, and in this row we have this header section, so I will drag another row. Okay, so from here just drag this row over here, and in this row here we also need to add 2 columns, because on the one column we will add this text and on the right column we will add this image. So from here just add these 2 columns over here. Then on here we need to add this text. So first of all we will drag here the headline text. then we have some subtext. So for that we will use this text here, and then we have this email input, and then we have the button. So for that, drag this 2 column, because here we will use the input sections, which is this form input, and here we will add the button sections. So all the content we have added here. Now let's add those content. So this is the text. I will just copy the text, come over here, double click here, Control V, and the same way copy the text and just double click, then Control V, and here the form is email addresses. So just click over here, this input field, and from here select a type. Here you can see the input type. From here we need to select the email section, then it will be email, and the placeholder text will be email addresses. And now on the button, let's click the button, and here from the button text will be, just scroll down below. First of all, just remove the subtext, and then come over here, the button text will be get it, and scroll down below. Here you can see the background color, so we'll make the background color into this color. I will just copy the color code. If you have the color code, just copy the color code, then come over here and then scroll down below, and from here just click here and then paste the color code. Then the background will be added over here, and I scroll down below, and from here I don't need any border color on the bottom, so I will just make it this. So just click over here. And now first of all I will come over here, from here click over here and Google Fonts and make the font into Inter. So I will make it Inter medium, and the size will be 17 pixels. And now let's customize the padding will be 20 from the top, and from the bottom it also will be 20, and on left and right side make it 20. From here just select the alignment into left, and from here click over here and drag this into this much, because we need the email sections much bigger than the button. Now click the button, and on the left and right side here come over here. So padding from the top and bottom, let's make it 15 and just increase it a little bit. And now scroll down below, and here you can see rounded corner, just make it into 100, then it will be full 100% radius. So if we sit on full screens, then see it's going to be look like this. It's very odd now looking. So just click over here and then make the alignment into left side. Also click over here, make the alignment into left side, then it looks little bit better. But here you can see it's from this much, and here it this much. So just click this row, and from here just remove the padding, then it would be the same alignment. Okay, now let's change the font. Click over here and font type. From here just Google Fonts, and from here just write down here Inter, and I will make the font into medium, and I can make the font size little bit bigger. 40 is fine. Then just increase the line height, and I should make the font into semi bold. Okay, now click this text, and from here just make it 17 or make it 18. Then come over here Google Fonts, from here type Inter and just make the line height into 29 pixels. Now let's see. Now see, it looks little bit clean than before. Now we need to customize this email input form. So click over here, and from here just scroll down below. So first of all, placeholder color. So if I click over here, make it red, the placeholder color will be changed. So for the placeholder color, I will make this gray color, or I can make it little bit more darker, this much. It's fine. Now click outside of the box, then come over here, then the background color. So background color is fine, but so for the background color I will choose this color. Come over here, background color. So now it's full green, but I will decrease the opacity this much. And now from the text color will also be we can make the text color into this green color. And from the border, click over here, I will paste the color code, then the border will be the green color. So border, full border and 1 pixel, and if we see it, then it's going to be look like this. Now we just need to make the border radius into 100%, the rounded corner, and make it 100, also make it 100, also this one, and now it will be look little bit better. See, now it's look little bit better. And we can do one thing, we can just improve this one little bit bigger, then it would be look much better. And if it's full screen, then it will be look like this. And we can do one thing, just click over here, click these ones, and then just decrease the font size into little bit small, then it will be look like this. So it's fine, it's pretty good. Now we will need to add the image over here. So I will just click over here and from the media sections, add the image over here, and I will click over here and I will just copy the same image, copy image address, then from here I will just paste the image. Again, if you have your own image, then just click over here and then select files, then from your computer upload the image, but I will just paste the image, and now it's going to be look like this. Okay, so first of all I will just decrease the sizes of the image little bit, this much. Okay, so now let's make it like this. Now we need to create this second sections, which is featured sections. So come over here and click on this section, click here, then it automatically added over here section. Now from here click the sections, also make the sections into white from full page. Then we need to add here 4 columns because here we have 4 images. So come over here, click over this row, and here the 4 columns, drag these columns here, and here we have 4 images. So I will click the image here and I will just copy the same image. Let's copy the image addresses and click over here, paste. So I will decrease the sizes of this app and let's make it center, and I will just duplicate this. I will just drag this over here, and now just drag this logo over here. And same way I'll duplicate this and drag this here, same way duplicate and drag this here. Then I will just copy these image addresses, then I come over here, then I will just paste the same way, copy this one, come over here, click and just paste the URL over here. The same thing I will do over here, click over here, and it's done. Now it's going to be look like this. Now for the headline text as featured / mention, so I'll just copy the text and here click over here and then just drag the headline text over here, then double click and paste, and just from here I will Google Fonts, let's make it enter, and let's make the size little bit smaller, and I will make the font style into medium 500. And now if we sit on full screen mode, it's going to be look like this. Now I will do one thing, just click these sections and I will make the section color into another color like these colors, but we will not use the same color because this color is not look so clean, but we will make it more cleaner. So I will come over here and I will copy the color code from here, then I will just come over here background color and I will just paste the color code, and I will make the top version of this color very top, closer to the white. And if I make it full screens, then see it's similar to the white, but it's the greenish shade, and now it looks much cleaner. I will do one thing, I will just come over here and I will make it little bit more green. Okay, and I think it's fine. Yes, it's little bit better. And now we need to make the image into like this. So for that, so click the image, I will make the image size into little bit better, and click the sections, and on the padding sections from the bottom make it 0. And now click this row. Okay, click this row, this entire row, and from here click here and then from the bottom make it 0. Okay, let's click over here. These sections have some padding, and from the bottom let's make it 0, then it would be look like the similar. And now it's look like the similar, but now we will do some more thing. Okay, click over here and click this row. Okay, click this row and add some padding on bottom. On the bottom we can make it 20 pixels, add little bit more, so let's make it 35, and now it's pretty fine. Okay, now click over here and let's make it home, and our home page is done. See, our home page is done, and our home page looks much cleaner than the original one. And come over, click the image and make the size little bit bigger. Okay, let's make it bigger, or we can make it this much. Okay, and now let's save changes, and now let's see the preview. See, it's going to be look like this.